Hi guys, my name is Dom and welcome back to a brand new video on DomTalksTech. Now, as you may have realised recently, we have had a complete branding overhaul of the channel, so a brand new logo and brand new banners for all my social media, and along with that we've now got a merchandise store which is available on the website, and I'll leave a link down in the description. And if you purchase any of that merchandise, you're directly helping out this channel. There's some fantastic products and there's more products to be released in the future as well, so stay tuned for that. I'm also running a giveaway to win some of my merchandise, so stay tuned for the details at the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoy the video. So here's the box that the Galaxy Watch 3 comes in. It's really nice, it's very simplistic but does the job. We've got 45mm variant written on the side, as well as the Bluetooth indicator, and we've also got Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 written on the other side, as well as the specifications of the Galaxy Watch 3 on the back. Very premium design, a bit like the Apple Watch box, but really nice packaging overall from Samsung. As when we get inside, we're greeted straight with the new Galaxy Watch 3, which looks fantastic. Really good looking watch and is very premium in its design. For accessories, we have a wireless magnetic charger, and we've also got a quick start guide, and they are the only accessories which are in the box with the Galaxy Watch 3. Now for the main event, the Galaxy Watch 3, which you're greeted with as soon as you open the packaging. It looks fantastic. This is the Mystic Silver version, but there's also Mystic Bronze, which is Samsung's colour this year, and there's also a Mystic Black variant as well. I think it just looks beautiful. It looks really premium and classic watch design. It comes with leather straps, and that's across the board with all the models of the Galaxy Watch 3, which is lovely to see. And we've got circular back and home buttons as well. If we just put the watch on the wireless charge, it just sits magnetically, and it's really good to do this overnight. You just set the watch down and in the morning you'll be good to go with a full day's worth of battery life. If you just press on the power button there, you're greeted with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 logo, and then we'll just go into the initial setup and what the watch is like now. So after the initial setup, you're all good to go, and this is how the Galaxy Watch 3 looks on the wrist. I think it looks fantastic. It's got that really classic watch feel to it, but of course you know that it's got the Samsung familiar rotating bezel on it as well, which Samsung fans have come to love and know. And it returns on the Galaxy Watch 3, which is really nice to see. It works just the same as all the rotating bezels previously. It's got a nice click to it, maybe not quite as satisfying as the original Galaxy Watch, but again, the physical bezel is back, and it is really beautiful to interact with the Galaxy Watch 3 using it. So this Galaxy Watch 3 variant is the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi edition, but you can also get an LTE variant as well if you choose to do so, but that is a little bit more expensive. So this watch starts at $399 in the UK and goes all the way up to $499 for the LTE variant as well. Interestingly, Samsung has stuck with the 9110 Exynos chip, which was in the original Galaxy Watch and also in the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So that is exactly the same chip as is in this Galaxy Watch 3, but what they have done is upped the RAM, which is in the Galaxy Watch 3. So you've now got 1GB of RAM, which should mean that tasks running in the background pop up nice and quickly, and also scrolling through the watch is a little bit more seamless too. You've also got upped in storage as well. So originally we had 4GB of storage on all the Samsung Galaxy Watches. This has now got 8GB of storage, so should help with future updates and bigger things such as the blood oxygen, which is also available in the Galaxy Watch 3. In terms of sensors, not a lot has changed with the new Galaxy Watch 3. We still have the same amount of sensors on the bottom of the device, and that's 8 heart rate sensors and a 32 gyroscope sensors for all of your fitness activities. Again, Samsung is really pushing the fitness part of the Galaxy Watch 3, and if we just go into Samsung Health here, you can see you've got your rings at the top, as we've seen on recent Galaxy Watches. Got the steps, we've got a recording your workout, and if we go into here, you've currently got 40 different styles of workout. So from walking, running, cycling, we've got indoor and outdoor swimming, we've got exercises in the gym such as treadmill, and we've got 40 other workouts as well, and you can add more at the bottom there. And new to the Galaxy Watch 3, we've also got blood oxygen recording, which has just been made available in the UK now, and you can measure your blood oxygen on the Galaxy Watch 3 here. So if we just go into here, it uses the sensors and measures your blood oxygen now, which is really helpful for when you are doing workouts. The Galaxy Watch 3 can keep an eye on your blood oxygen, and if it dips too low, it will recommend you stop exercising so that your blood oxygen can recover. So this is a really handy feature, and definitely one-ups that of the Apple Watches currently, and we might see that in the Apple Watch Series 6, but that is not sure yet. We've also got ECG scanning, which will be made available in the future, but again, Samsung hasn't got clearance from the health authorities in the UK and in the US as well, so they need to wait on that until that is made available on these watches. Another big boost on the Galaxy Watch 3 comes with the sleep tracking, which Samsung have partnered with the National Sleeping Federation on the Galaxy Watch 3. So when recording your sleep, it can record your REM, your light sleep, your deep parts of your sleep, and also the amount of time that you're awake during the night as well, which is a massive selling point for the Galaxy Watch 3. And it's fantastic for people who may not sleep that well, or who are just really interested in tracking their sleep and making sure they are getting the recommended 8 hours of sleep a night. So just mentioning design, we've now got some circular buttons on the top and bottom for the back button here and the home and apps button here. And interestingly, Samsung have also included this sort of ridge here, which is really useful for when it's on your wrist. It means that when you bend your wrist back, you don't accidentally push those rounded buttons. So it's really nice to see that sort of classier, more classic watch style round buttons on the side, but also really thinking about the design to make sure that it doesn't interfere with the watch when you're out and about on a daily basis. Another nice safety feature, which is also available on the Galaxy Watch 3, is fall or trip detection. So if you do fall or have a nasty accident, then the Galaxy Watch will automatically detect that, and it will call the emergency services or your emergency contacts first, who you set your emergency contacts. So when it does detect a fall, it records the sound and it records the location and sends that back to your emergency contacts, so they know that you've had a nasty fall, and then the emergency services can get involved if need be, and help you out. So that is a really useful safety feature, and it's fantastic to see, as that has been available on an Apple Watch for some time now. One really important thing we could probably talk about here is the differences between last year's Galaxy Watch Active 2 and this year's Galaxy Watch 3 on this side, and whether it is worth upgrading from last year's Galaxy Watch Active 2 to this year's Galaxy Watch 3. And I would say definitely not. It's definitely not worth upgrading, because the sensors and the physical hardware is pretty similar in both of these watches, and a lot of it is under the hood. As I mentioned, the Galaxy Watch 3 has more RAM than the previous generation Galaxy Watch Active 2, and it also has a bit more storage than the Galaxy Watch Active 2 as well. But the sensors are exactly the same in both models here. It's just some of the features under the hood are a bit more advanced in the Galaxy Watch 3. So that's something to remember. Again, this watch is going to be sold on Samsung still alongside the Galaxy Watch 3, and Samsung are promoting this one more for the health features and the fact it's got this nice silicone band as opposed to the leather strap which comes on the Galaxy Watch 3. But a lot of this, so the design of this one is a bit more classier, a bit more stylish, a bit more for your everyday use, whereas this one is for more of your everyday use but more fitness inclined. But again, the fitness features are pretty similar on both watches, apart from this one having the blood oxygen feature as well as ECG and stuff like that, and blood pressure coming on in the future. In conclusion, the Galaxy Watch 3 is an absolute joy to use. If you're really into that physical rotating bezel, which is an absolute joy to use, then the Galaxy Watch 3 is definitely the one for you. It is wonderful and really easy to use. Again, it is definitely noticeably faster with that improved RAM and more storage to fit more things like watch faces and other applications on the watch, but is fairly similar in terms of the capabilities of the Galaxy Watch Active 2. It looks really nice, it's very premium, and it's definitely worth getting an upgrade from, say, the older Galaxy Watch or the Gear S3 or even Gear S2. This is definitely worth considering as a massive upgrade from those watches, as it's much more advanced and has many more features, which is definitely worth using today. If you have any questions about the Galaxy Watch 3, remember to comment them down below and I'll get back to you with a response as soon as possible. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, as it does help to really push my videos for more people to see. And if you want to get involved in the giveaway, of course, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and also head over to my Twitter and Instagram, where you'll see a post that you need to share, and then you'll be automatically entered into the giveaway to win some of my merchandise. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do make sure you're subscribed, as we're coming into iPhone season and the tech season in general, so there'll be loads of videos that you really do not want to miss. Thank you so much again for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.